This recipe is the ultimate choice for overweight and senior dogs. Naturally low protein, low calories, and low fat make this formula ideal for overweight dogs who tend to overeat. Our Select Plus recipe boasts top ingredients such as chicken meal, grain sorghum, brown rice, whole grain millet, and is a great solution for senior dogs with mobility issues, as it also contains added glucosamine, which sustains healthy joint function and is an excellent preventative for aging dogs. Do you have questions? Do you have concerns? We're happy to help you with all of your pet food inquiries. Contact us today and speak with a live kibble specialist at 864-255-5323. And don't forget to ask how you can save 5% on every order through our Nature's Select subscription program.